is Nat, and today we are off our couch and headed to St. Augustine, Florida to experience something different. St. Augustine is located on the northeast coast of Florida. It is about 40 miles from Jacksonville, 55 miles from Daytona Beach, and 100 miles from Orlando. It is the longest continually inhabited European founded city in the United States and has earned the nickname the nation's oldest city. There are countless places to see, beautiful views to take in, and food to enjoy. And being that it is America's oldest city, there are more than 4 centuries of history to explore within the city limits. And that is what we are here for today, to learn about history at the Colonial Experience. The Colonial Experience is located within the Colonial Quarter. We are on the way there now for the 3 o'clock tour, where our guide will demonstrate colonial Spanish and British history during the 16th, 17th, and 18th century. At the time of this publishing, guided tours are at 10:30 a.m., noon, 1:30 p.m., and 3 p.m., and admission prices are $12.99 for adults 16 and over. Children 5 to 15 are $6.99, 4 and under are free. But if you like to save money like I do, I recommend snagging your tickets from the website localflavor.com. The site offers discounted prices to many attractions in St. Augustine, and sometimes they even post a promo code that will get you an additional percentage off. It is a great deal. I always check this site before heading to St. Augustine because if they don't have a discounted admission ticket to an attraction, they may still have a coupon available to save myself some money. So if you're planning a trip soon, join the mailing list just a few months prior and be on the lookout for a discount. That being said, I have my tickets already, and before we even get started, I see a pirate crossing the street. And that's one of the cool things about St. Augustine. You're surrounded by history just walking into the city, and it is awesome. But we're not here to learn about pirate history. Today, we are here to learn about colonial history. And during our 40-minute tour, our guide did an excellent job at keeping the audience engaged, directing jokes at both the kids and adults. The tour is educational, yet still really interesting. The costumes, replicas, and the settings used really help to transport you back to that time period. And the demonstrations during the tour also help to give you an idea of what colonial life was like. I had both my toddler and 9-year-old with me, and they both enjoyed it. I was honestly surprised at how quickly the time flew during the tour. At the end of the tour, we were free to walk through the Dessa Manchez house. This house was built in the 1740s, so it is over 270 years old. Again, another excellent opportunity to understand life better during that time period, and we can also see the different uses and the structural expansions of the house throughout the years. So now we are outside again, exploring the grounds and artifacts while making our way to the flags of St. Augustine. This walkway is really interesting. It starts with the flag historians believe Ponce de Leon sailed under in 1513 on his trip to St. Augustine, and ends with the present-day flag of the United States. Everything has been interesting up to this point, but I have saved what I have been most looking forward to till now, climbing the watchtower. Now, it is a bit of a way up and a nice little workout, but the trip up is more than worth it because of the view. This is just an absolutely gorgeous view of the fort, Castillo de San Marcos, Matanzas Bay, and George Street. Overall, I highly recommend the tour. There's lots to check out. I believe you can easily spend a couple of hours participating in the tour, roaming around the home and the grounds, reading all of the various signs and learning more about the history of this wonderful city, while even listening to some great music. because the bars and restaurants next door often have live music, so you can enjoy that perk too during the tour. Basically, it's a great way to spend a morning or afternoon in the city. And why not just make a whole day of it and check out the other sites of the Colonial Quarter too? Grab a souvenir or a keepsake at the gift shop, Explorer's Outpost, have a drink or enjoy a meal at one of the restaurants, or if you happen to be there for a performance, take in some live music at the Colonial Oak Music Park. But tell me your thoughts about the Colonial experience or the Colonial Quarter. Have you already visited? Or you plan to visit anytime soon? Let us know about your plans, and if you have some money-saving tips to share, do that too. Please leave those in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up to like. Be sure to subscribe so you can catch us on our next outing, and click on the video to see more of our experiences in St. Augustine. Thanks for watching.